997, 998, 999, 1,000. Oh, I didn't see all that. Let me get that out the way.
I love my daddy, my superhero.
What's up, y'all? Today's video, I'm gonna be working on a pair of customs for the boy, my homie, Slick Rick. Hey.
Fuck that shit right now.
Let's go, bro! I gotta run! He needs space, bro. I gotta hit the car wheel in the back. Let's go! It looked too easy. Oh my god, dog. Let's go.
Damn, why did I just do that? I can feel the alcohol trying to jump out my mouth and ass. I should have stayed home. Why am I friends with these people? It's always hey Slick do a flip but never hey Slick how's life going?
I had to get my One Punch Man workout in real quick. You know, I'm trying to keep up with the homie Slick. We've been trying to get this popping for a little minute now. I'm gonna be doing a One Punch Man theme on a pair of Carmine 6s. They're a little beat up. You know, gotta do some surgery. Some surgery. They don't have no pull tab. But I'm a creator. I can get that done. Finally switching it up. We ain't doing LeBrons. We doing Jordans now. We doing anime theme. We working on that right now. So that's what we're gonna get into. All right. Like I said, we gotta do something about this. We gotta do surgery. But to do surgery, you gotta clean your patient. Or at least that's what I think you do. I don't know. I don't know how surgery works. Let's go.
No, now you're doing it well.
Yeah, that's the way. That's how you do it.
A little more. That's good, huh?
A little more.
A touch more.
A little more. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, that's good.
Excuse me, please.
I will need to take it down a bit more, please.
All right, surgery was a success. We got our black snake skin, whatever, spoilers on. Time to get into the actual custom now. Well, technically that is part of the custom, but whatever, you know what I mean, painting time. Let's go.
Saitama versus Garou.
Masaka.
Nani? Oi.
Sugoi.
Perfect. Saitama.
Sayonara.
What is it, a balloon? Why are you squeezing it like that?
Oh my god!
Masaka. Sugoi. Sayonara.
Boom. Thanks for checking out today's video, guys, on these Jordan 6s Saitama versus Garou Jordan 6s One Punch Man editions, man. A little bit of details in case you guys want to know. The reason why these have yellow laces is because Garou's belt is this same yellow color. The reason these have black laces is because Saitama's belt is black. I put the word Starved Wolf right here. I wanted to pick an image of Garou looking like an animal, you know what I mean? So that's that. This is the world's strongest man word right there, you know what I mean? Got some classic images from One Punch Man on there, you know what I mean? But didn't want to overbear the shoe with a bunch of imagery, man. I love the Jordan 6s, so you know, I just wanted to let them speak for themselves. So that's why I did like this. So forgot to mention, you know, I had to throw on a little blood splatter on the tongue right here. But yeah, you know, the homie Slick, I'm pretty sure he's gonna love these because I like them. And if I like them, he probably like them too. Yeah, man, as usual, thanks guys for checking out today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification if you enjoy my content. And we're gonna keep this thing pushing, man. I'm gonna record some more stuff. I got a lot of more stuff on the way. I always say that because that's the case. That's the case for a lot of this stuff. I have a lot more stuff going on. I'm busy. I'm gonna keep pumping out some stuff. I got more stuff on the way. So yeah, check that out. Stay tuned. Follow me on IG. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on everything. Follow me in real life. Stalk me. Whatever. Let's get it. Let's go. Peace.